Man, it's amazing when nobody's here. But I know everybody's gonna be rolling in from basically the monorail that goes from like all the way from like where the airport is all the way over here. This is pretty sick. My dream car. This is a R35, and this one has the Varus kit on it as well. As you guys can see, the Varus fender with the carbon fiber piece in the rear. Pretty dope. This video is also going to be about how many Civic Type R's is actually here at Sema. So here's one right here. This is one, and it has that Varus hood where you can see inside of the engine bay. Got a couple of vents right there. These are the new Volk Racer wheels. Pretty nice. Mugen visors. Man. And if you guys ask me like, how do I know about all of these parts for the Civic Type R? Come on guys, I'm a Honda guy, so of course I'm gonna know about all these little parts and stuff. And I love like looking up research and learning about new things. So Varus wing, a bunch of different little things here and there. I guess he has the MXP exhaust where it's only a two tip. But let's go on to see what else we have, because in a matter of seconds it is gonna get packed. Beautiful purple GTR. Can't wait, guys. This is gonna be in my collection very soon. Very soon, guys. I promise you that this is gonna be in my collection. And this is my favorite kit, the Kamikaze kit, which is adds like another extra little layer near the original fender. Oh man, it like it's actually all in one with the kit. This is my favorite kit as well. And we got this whole area. In my first day one video, I was like all the way by that hotel right there where the dub booth is, and as you guys can see, this is the whole convention center all the way coming from over here, and there's still stuff behind it, as you guys can see, because you guys can definitely tell this is humongous, guys, and there's still cars over there and people are walking over here. So Sema show, that's pretty dope right there. Here is Type R number 2, guys, right here. This is the Type R that has the RZ F2s on there. These wheels look beautiful in this matte blue. It has like a chrome lip on there. Beautiful. The fitment is on point. I believe they're like 18s with 9.5 with a 265, 35, 18. Yep. 265, 35, 18. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not too crazy aggressive. Perfect fitment. And this has the Varus hood, and it has the Varus front bumper. So this is actually a prototype bumper. As you guys can see, it has like a little carbon fiber piece integrated into the front bumper. So it has the yellow fog lights integrated, and in the front it still says Varus right there. It looks really aggressive in person. I wish the car was in a different color so you get to see it a little bit more, but as you guys can see, up here it's painted black, carbon fiber lip down here, real nice. The only thing I know they're probably still working on is this gap on each end. It could be a little bit better, but I did notice on like the Type R's that have a lot more miles on them and the bumper's taken off, it starts forming a little gap, which kind of sucks, but there could be a way to fix that as well. But as you guys can see over here, we have the Advanced TC4s. It's got to be the same offset because it looks very flush with the fenders. Really nice. TC4s definitely look really good on this car, especially if I walk far away and you guys see it far away. That looks beautiful. And this has the Honda visors. The Mugen visor is a little bit different, which is dope. And this one also has the same logo, Varus wing. And this also has the Varus diffuser, and it looks like that. So Type R number 2 looks dope. And here is Type R number 3. This is the one right here. This one has like a bunch of aero stuff on here. Has like a carbon fiber piece on the original lip. And you got these wheels right here, RMK remark. You got a spark right here, looking beautiful. And you got RMK design wing, as you guys can see, has a little adjustability right here, carbon fiber, real nice. Got a sick little design. Kind of reminds me of the RX-7. This looks pretty dope. Like the design. And you got the remark exhaust. as well. I actually saw this on my YouTube feed, but these white wheels look pretty dope. Not bad at all. And you got this aftermarket carbon fiber hood that has been painted. As you guys can see, still got the vent. Looks dope. And it must be by Sema. And as you guys can see, this is Civic Type R number 4 right here. Beautiful. It's actually wrapped in red. Got the Sema carbon fiber lip in the front with another splitter on it. Carbon fiber hood. Got these beautiful RSR wheels. Look nice. Got some sparkle seats. Got a roll cage back here. Hybrid racing shifter. Got an aftermarket carbon fiber steering wheel as well. I'll show you guys that in a second. Got this extra rears piece right here. APR wing. Beautiful. The visors. Here's the aftermarket steering wheel with the red stripe at the top. Got some gauges right here. Real cool and unique. I found number 5 Type R at Sema. Spoon Civic Type R right here. Got the spoon from bumper. I probably went over this already, but I was probably about to get kicked out. I'm gonna go over it again. Spoon from bumper. As you guys can see, it has a lot more cooling as well. Got this carbon fiber in the bumper. It's like a lip. You got a massive vent right here, massive vent right here, and massive vents on each side. Beautiful. Got the Titan 7 wheels. They got the spoon steering wheel on there, kind of hard to see, but original spoon steering wheel. Look at the Swan. That is crazy. That is crazy. Beautiful, beautiful. All carbon fiber, adjustable, everything. Awesome. It was nice talking to you. If you guys don't know, Dad is the owner of Honda. I'm gonna have a video coming up. I actually got to talk to him, and it's gonna be a lot of controversy. So it was dope getting to speak to him. He gave me a little bit of secrets, guys. I'm gonna share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. We got Honda Pro Jason's FK8 Civic Type R. Beautiful. Beautiful. You got the Titan wheels. These are actually 19s. Nice. These are 265/30 19s. And this color is the Phoenix Yellow in this Type R. If you guys don't know about this Type R, Honda Pro Jason got this whole car repainted in this Phoenix Yellow inside and out. And the roof is carbon as well. Some of the mods that he has the P2R turbo blanket. He has a front pipe. He has this new piping for the air, Rampage number 9, Adventure intake. He got this yellow spoon valve cover for the new Civic Type R motor. Spoon bowl cap. Man, this is so much, guys. Beautiful. I like this. This is actually by Houston. Has a little carbon fiber pieces, and it's painted. Came out awesome. But guys, I saw this Toyota 86 yesterday. Oh, look what engine is in there. Is it? Guys, am I tripping? They have a K20 C1 FK8 CTR engine swap in the 84 Toyota Corolla AE. Oh my God. AE 86R, guys, I'm getting excited. They have a Type R motor in the 86. As you guys can see, the valve cover, you got the spoon cap, the turbos right here, comes out through the side. That same little intake right there, that is mind blowing. They have that new CTR motor inside of the 86. Beautiful. Here's the wing as well. These wheels look beautiful. BBSs. That is crazy. It's not a Type R, guys, but it has the Type R motor in the 86. NK boot. I think I found Type R set number 7. Got an RX-8 right here with some NKs on them. I love these NKs with the 5-spoke design. And these ones right here, beautiful. I found Type R number 7 right here. Crazy. 7 Type Rs. I think this might be the last Type R that I see. But you got Honda in there. You got a Momo steering wheel, the same Type R dash, bride seats, fuel cell, Lexan for the windows. Beautiful. One end case. Oh my god, moment of truth. I finally found Type R number 8. Let's see, man. Crazy. Type R number 8. This is crazy. Alright guys, so I just finished editing the video counting all of the Civic Type Rs at Sema 2019. It was a battle, guys, trying to track down these Civic Type Rs all over Sema. I would say yesterday I had my best day because the time for Sema opening up was a lot later and I actually got there at 6. So definitely smash the like button for me going out and getting so much content, and there was no one basically at Sema. So smash the like button. And man, I was super excited. I went basically everywhere to get content for you. So definitely stay tuned for day 2 and day 3. There's gonna be so much content on all the different cars that was at Sema. So that's gonna be pretty dope. If you are in the market for a Civic Type R and you have one, or if you're in the market of one, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. If you're wanting to see how much power you can make for your Civic Type R, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. If you guys definitely can, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. So lately, actually one of my subscribers hit me up and said that he hasn't been getting the notifications for my videos. So he told me he went back and clicked the notification bell again, and they have this new feature where you have to click the notification bell and then you have to hit this little mark, and it's gonna basically turn on the notifications. So if you guys can, go back out, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified and all the videos that are coming up. But if you have a Civic Type R or planning on getting one, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It is gonna be epic. And I have some new stuff to share with you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. And it is crazy to find a Civic Type R's at SEMA 2019. Guys, I gotta tell you, there has to be like 45 to 50 Supras there. Every corner you look, there's a Supra. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. That's it for the video, guys. If there is anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.